Hi, this is Rachelle with Journal Life's Journey, and I am back to do a little work in the Coffin journal. This journal started several months ago, and I am still working on it. In this video, I'll be working on some of the embellishments. Initially, I wanted to get all of the base done, but I'm finding that I need some embellishments to kind of help me get a better idea of what some of the features of the journal will look like. So today that's what I'm working on, some embellishments, ephemera to go in a couple of the pockets. So here I'm stamping using some Tim Holtz stamps. The skull is Tim Holtz, and I think most of everything that I'm stamping with here is Tim Holtz or Stampers Anonymous featuring Tim Holtz. So a lot of this is kind of self-explanatory. I'm going to be doing some experimenting with different things that I have in my stash. And I'm stamping on a cream colored cardstock. And you won't specifically see me use everything that I'm stamping and creating in this video right now, but I'm putting things together, getting them ready to further embellish this journal. Now, these clear stamps are not Tim Holtz. I got those from Temu, so I'm using those for the first time here just to see how they are. And I am using archival ink to stamp with. Here I have a bundle of stamps that I kind of created a traveler's notebook style clear booklet to hold them. And I'm looking for a specific script stamp, which I found, and I'm going to use that to stamp backgrounds on these small pieces. Now, these are the pieces that I'm actually creating to insert in pockets for the Coffin journal. I stamped that one a little bit crooked, but since it's in the background, it shouldn't matter too much. So now I'm going to grunge them up, age them a little bit with some vintage photo, which I put on the clear acrylic block, added some water, and I'm just dipping my cards into the ink, the watered down ink. And I'm going to do the same thing with the pieces that I stamped on this cardstock. So I'm just going to ink up the block, wet it, spray it with some water, and dip in the areas that I stamped. So here I'm just drying the pieces. Now I'm going to go ahead and trim up the pieces on the full sheet. So I stamped a couple of the bingo cards and a couple of postcards. And here I'm cutting out the skulls. And I'm inking them up with some black soot distress ink. I'm switching back and forth. This is kind of how I work. If you follow me on my other channel, Scrapcraftastic, you know I jump from one thing to the other. That's just how my brain works. That's how I work when I'm crafting and creating. As I get ideas, I jump from one thing to the other. So we are back to the little cards that I'm making for the pockets of the coffin journal specifically. I have these two gentlemen are paper dolls from Tim Holtz, and I am going to distress age them a little bit more with this distress glaze, I believe it's called. It's kind of like an embossing powder. Well, it is an embossing powder basically, but it's tinted. So I stamped it, I covered the entire thing with the VersaFine ink. I think it's called VersaFine. So I'm covering the entire front of each gentleman with the ink, kind of a sticky ink, so the embossing powder sticks to it. So here I'm using my heat tool to set the glaze, distress glaze. Basically, it melts it and gives it a glossy finish, and it also tinted the color of the paper dolls. So I'm going to adhere the paper dolls to the stamped backgrounds that I created. I would consider these as small journaling cards, and I think it's a great way to use some of those Tim Holtz paper dolls. So I'm just trimming off the excess and I'm rounding the corners. And here I want to add a tab, a well-tailed tab to the sides so that they can act as an easy way to pull these cards in and out of the pockets. I'm also inking everything again with black soot distress ink. And I'm putting the tabs on the side of the cards. Using the acrylic block to hold that in place while it dries. So now that the glue is set, I'm going to add an eyelet to the tab so that I can also add a dangle to each one of these cards. And it will either be a dangle or a charm. I have quite a few spooky charms, so it's probably going to end up being some type of charm. But that is it. These are my little cards. So they slide in this piece that will go in the coffin journal, just like so. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'll holler at y'all next time. Bye.